Good morning, student. Today, this is my third class of 7 on the topics of acid, base, and salt. Now, what is dilute acid and concentrated acid? Dilute acid means large amount of water, excess of water, and less amount of acid is known as dilute acid. Dilute acid is a weak acid. Concentrated acid. The acid contains more amount of acid and less amount of water is known as concentrated acid. Concentrated acid is a strong acid. Now, dilute acid and concentrated acid. Dilute acid. Dilute acid. Acid contain more amount of water and less amount of acid are called dilute acid. In short form, it is written like this. Dilute is short form DIL, dilute, DIL for dilute. Dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4, dilute sulfuric acid, dilute nitric acid is written like this formula HNO3. Okay. Now comes to the what is concentrated acid. Concentrated acid. Acid contains more amount of acid and less amount of water are called concentrated acid. Concentrated acid. It is written like this. Concentrated is short form conc, CONC conc. CONC conc HCl, concentrated hydrochloric acid. CONC conc H2SO4, sulfuric acid, and conc nitric acid HNO3. It is written a dilute and concentrated acid. Dilution of an acid is an exothermic reaction. If very precaution for diluting on acid in this 10th class syllabus, acid base salt also given. Dilution of acid when water is added to acid. It is not acid is added to water, not water to acid. Acid is added to water, not acid to water. Now comes to the next point, next topics. Neutralization reaction, very very important reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? The acid react with base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. The reaction in which acid reacts with this to form salt and water are known as neutralization reaction. रिएक्शन वो रिएक्शन जिसमें एसिड बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करे और सॉल्ट एंड वाटर बनाता है, ऐसे रिएक्शन को हम न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन कहते हैं. जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल acid plus base to give salt plus water. Just for example, like this sodium hydroxide is a base plus hydrochloric react with hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid to give sodium chloride plus water. Write the chemical equation. Sodium hydroxide chemical formula is NaOH. Hydrochloric acid is HCl. React together to form sodium chloride NaCl plus water. Another example, this is the first example. Another examples, potassium hydroxide react with sulfuric acid to give potassium sulfate plus water. Write the chemical equation. Potassium hydroxide is KOH, sulfuric acid is H2SO4, gives K2SO4, potassium sulfate, K2SO4 plus water. Come to the third examples. Suppose that sodium hydroxide reacts with nitric acid to give sodium nitrate plus water. This is written in chemical equation. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH plus nitric acid is HNO3 to form NaNO3 sodium nitrate, NaNO3 sodium nitrate plus water. Similarly, ammonium hydroxide react with hydrochloric acid to give ammonium chloride and water. Ammonium chloride plus water. Write this equation in chemical equation. Ammonium hydroxide, chemical formula of ammonium hydroxide is NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, plus sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid is HCl. They react together to form ammonium chloride, NH4Cl salt, plus water, H2O. This is the neutralization reaction. Some examples of neutralization reaction. Now comes to the next topics. How can experimentally show the neutralization reaction? How can experimentally show neutralization reaction? Neutralization reaction. First you take 2 ml sodium hydroxide in a test tube. You take 2 ml, you take test tube. This is your test tube. Now 2 ml sodium hydroxide, NaOH, taken in test tube. Then you added few drops of phenolphthalein solution. Do you know? Phenolphthalein changes base into pink color. Added phenolphthalein solution dropwise. Phenolphthalein solution. The solution becomes pink in color. Now we add dropwise dilute hydrochloric acid in it. The pink color disappears. Dilute hydrochloric acid. The pink color disappears. Why the pink color disappears? Because acid neutralizes the effect of base, NaOH, so pink color disappears. Again we add few drops of sodium hydroxide, pink color reappears. This experiment shows the neutralization reaction. Now I am giving you some important questions you have to solve. They are the very important questions for class 7 or also in higher class 10th. In 10th also acid base salt. Important question. And question. What is acid? Name to acid. Second question. What is indicator? What is indicator? Third question. What is natural indicator? Give example. Fourth question. What is man-made man-made or synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicator. Name the plants. Name the plants from which litmus is prepared. Litmus are prepared. So question: what is base? What is base? Name two base. Second question: write the properties of base. Come to the next question. Question number 8. Okay. What are the effect of litmus? What are the effect of litmus on acidic and basic solution? What is China rose indicator? What is China rose indicator? What are effect of acidic and basic solution? Acidic and basic solution. Question number 10. What is alkali? What is alkali? Name two alkali. Question: what is difference between base and alkali? Base and alkali. Question number 12. What is difference between acid and base? Okay, thank you.